Turn on, do it.
Go.
Hi, I'm Eddie. This is Ella, and we are going to make cut and tesseract. And we are going to start off pouring this in. And now we are going to put whipped cream and
Sour cream.
sour cream in. 1, 2, 3. And this is a 5-ingredient recipe.
Good job mixing too.
And this might be hard to do sometimes, but
You guys washed your hands.
you might have to wash your hands before you do anything about cooking. We will, the next step, we will put this butter in. We melted this kind of butter. And here, our melted butter is, it kind of looks like egg. But now we're going to pour that in. And now Ella, my assistant, will do that. And then Ella, my assistant, will pour these in.
What are you using?
We are using corn, 2 different kinds. We are using sweet corn and we are using regular corn. And we are going to mix that in. And now we are going to mix it all up. Now we're going to, Mama, Ella has to mix it. Ella, can I mix it?
I'm gonna mix it.
Ella.
And then we'll put it in there and put it in the oven after. After we mix it. What are we gonna do after we mix it?
We're going to pour it into and put it in the oven. Then we'll have some good little things to eat. Bye.